Hello tech viewers, today we came with a new project and this is about a smart IoT based water pump. So today we are going to control a water pump, AC water pump using a Blynk application. So this is our Blynk application configured with a switch. So here we are using Node MCU ESP8266 board and LCD display I2C for monitoring switch on off and a relay for turning on and off and adapter for 5 volts power supply. So this is a AC pump, 230 volts AC pump. So we are going to turn on and off using our Blynk application by providing internet. So now we will go through the total working. So now I am going to power on the device. So the pump is now in off condition. So using our Blynk application, so now I am going to turn on the pump. So click turn on. So the pump is pumping the water, and here in the LCD display also we can see the pump is on. So this is all about the project. Thank you.